Hello guys and welcome back. Today I will show you how you can replace the cabin filter on a Kia Sportage. This Kia Sportage is from 2016. It's very quick and simple to have it changed. This is the reason why I'm changing the cabin filter every year. Let's have a look. This one has been changed 10 months ago and is already full with dust and small leaves. I like to do it every year, not every 2 years like the manufacturer is saying in the book, and like they're doing when you take the car in for service. That's what they're doing. They're gonna replace it every 2 years, which in my opinion is a bit too much, counting the pollution that we have to face every single day. So you won't do any harm to your car. You're gonna just do yourself a favor and you're gonna benefit from breathing nice and clean air inside your car. So I will show you how. Just bear with me and it will be like less than 1 minute to have it replaced. So what we have to do is to open the glove box compartment, just clear out everything you've got inside. It will make it easier for you. Here and here we have two fixing screws, just twist it around on both sides. They're looking like this. Now here this arm basically is holding the door, the glove box door, to not fall down completely. So you have to release this plastic arm as well. That's it. And here is where the cabin filter is. The most simple car. I never seen a car like this. Most of the cars you have to unscrew a lot of screws to get the glove box compartment out and then the cabin filter itself, but this is very quick and simple, as you can see. Very important to match the airflow position. It's very important to see this arrow. When you put the new one, just make sure you fit it properly. You're gonna have to be able to read the Kia sign and the airflow. Yep, this is it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.